I've let the pool slide in anticipation of this little experiment. This pool is about to look very different. It's going to look like a pond with a massive floating garden on it. To do this, I'm going to use some bottle-filled milk crates tied together to create a floating garden, and then hopefully that floating garden then filters the pool water. I think milk crates will be great for the project because they're modular and they're built to last, and there's plenty going for free.
So going to places like thrift shops and bottle recycle centres, and they often end up with a lot.
They're also perfect for the milk cartons, obviously. That makes it easy to calculate the volume of the trapped air across the platform and make sure it's evenly distributed.
Each crate has about 9 milk bottles with a couple of other smaller bottles wedged in like that. And it just makes a very even floating surface. If you do that, you just see it floats really nicely. And then I've joined them together with zip ties around the edges here.
Each milk crate is connected by 14 7.6mm zip ties. So that's a collective tensile strength of 756 kilos per crate. So I feel pretty confident this is overkill for holding it all together. The benefit of this design is that it's completely reversible, so if it fails, or I don't like it, I can return it to a conventional pool.
So just up to the plumbing stage now, and using a whole lot of perforated pipe in this longer section that will come out through here, and then using a bubble filter, taking a leaf out of David Pagan Butler's Natural Pool Enthusiasm on YouTube, and running a bubble filter up, which should hopefully draw water from this back section. And then the same over here, another loop, and then coming into another bubble filter section here.
For a growing medium, rocks, like a lot of rocks.
There's about 2 ton in there now. This rock is quite big, which is deliberate to stop the rocks falling through the crates, and then we'll start using smaller rocks.
I'm sipping.
And a quick plant out to finish, with water filtering reeds mostly. We'll see how that goes first.
I'm sipping.
And there you have it, a floating garden of sorts. That's a bit different. Took around 2 weeks for the water to clear up. And I added some fish to keep the mosquito larvae down, and now I water the garden with the pond water. And the reeds will always have access to the water, even if the level fluctuates. It's sort of like a rainwater tank now. And big thanks to Jamie for her help. If you're looking for an ad-free experience, you can head over to Vimeo and watch it there too if you like. I like the spirit of the gift. Alright, cheers. Stay tuned for more experiments.